So, hello everyone, we got another package, and I think this is from Amazon, and this has not been unboxed, I think, in last 1 month. I don't know what's the condition inside, but we'll still go with it. Okay, so I have a hunch this is the coffee mug which I was planning to order, and I forgot after that. And it was like for brand home center. Let me quickly move those things out. And I ordered two just for the brand, like it's home center one, and the MRP was like showing us 649 something. I thought, okay, let's order it. So it's quite small than my expectation, and yeah, it's 240 ml, 69 rupees. So I think just got 4 rupees discount. In photo, it was looking a lot bigger in size, but rather than cup, it was looking like a mug, and that's what I usually use. So yeah, quality I don't think so. It's quite premium, not that great, but just average. Things same for this. So yep, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you.